the black stone of Kaaba, a symbol of faith, mystery, and legacy. The black stone, known as Al-Hajar al-Aswad, has captivated the imaginations of millions for centuries, standing as a symbol of faith, mystery, and divine connection at the heart of Islam's most sacred site, the Kaaba in Mecca. Its enigmatic origin and the reverence it commands invite both spiritual devotion and scientific curiosity. Yet, the true nature of this ancient relic remains cloaked in layers of tradition, history, and guarded sanctity. Islamic tradition holds that the black stone was a gift from the angel Gabriel to the prophet Ibrahim, originally descending from paradise in a radiant white state, only to darken over time due to the sins of humanity. Embedded in the eastern corner of the Kaaba, about 1.5 meters above the ground, this stone is approximately 30 centimeters in diameter and set into a silver frame, marking a focal point for millions of Muslims during their pilgrimage rituals. The reverence for the black stone predates Islam, as it was already venerated by pre-Islamic Arab tribes who visited the Kaaba, a central pilgrimage site, long before the advent of Islam. Following the Prophet Muhammad's conquest of Mecca, the Kaaba and the black stone were purified of idols, solidifying their place in Islamic rituals. Over the centuries, the black stone has undergone numerous restorations due to natural wear and damage, including a significant reassembly after being broken during the Carmatian sack of Mecca in 930 AD. The black stone's religious significance is profound. It symbolizes the covenant between Allah and humankind, believed to have been placed in the Kaaba by Prophet Abraham and his son Ismail, under divine command. Pilgrims aspire to kiss or touch the black stone during the tawaf, the sevenfold circumambulation of the Kaaba, as a mark of reverence and connection to their faith. For those unable to reach it, pointing towards the stone on each circuit suffices, emphasizing its symbolic presence. The black stone is often regarded as Allah's right hand on earth, metaphorically bridging the earthly realm and the divine. Despite its sacred status, the black stone has also piqued scientific interest. Although rigorous scientific research is limited due to religious sensitivities and accessibility issues, early reports and indirect examinations have suggested that the black stone might be composed of various materials, including basalt, agate, or a type of glass. Some scholars have speculated that it could be a meteorite, given its black color, smooth surface, and unique characteristics compared to typical terrestrial rocks in the region. Meteorites have historically been venerated in various cultures, lending some plausibility to this hypothesis. One of the few scientific observations comes from the late 19th century, when Sir Richard Francis Burton briefly examined the black stone. He noted that it did not seem to be a conventional rock, speculating about its possible extraterrestrial origins. However, direct scientific study has been limited due to the black stone's religious significance. Any intrusive investigation could be seen as disrespectful, and the stone's constant accessibility only during religious rituals further complicates detailed examination. While scientific analysis is constrained, some indirect methods might offer insights without physical contact. High-resolution photography and remote sensing techniques could potentially reveal more about the stone's surface and composition. Comparative analysis with known meteorites and terrestrial rocks might also provide clues about its origins. Yet, the guarded sanctity of the black stone means that most knowledge about it remains speculative, based on historical accounts and limited indirect observations. The black stone is not just a physical object, but a cultural and religious icon. Its significance extends beyond its physical presence, deeply embedded in the spiritual lives of Muslims worldwide. As part of the Hajj pilgrimage, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, the annual ritual brings millions of Muslims to Mecca, reinforcing the stone's status as a symbol of unity and faith. Saudi authorities meticulously preserve the black stone, ensuring its protection and accessibility to pilgrims while maintaining its sanctity. In contemporary times, the Black Stone continues to inspire millions, serving as a tangible connection to the Prophet Muhammad and the early history of Islam. Its legacy is celebrated in art, literature, and religious practices, reflecting the enduring importance of this sacred relic. The Black Stone remains a focal point of Islamic faith, embodying a profound sense of history, spirituality, and reverence. The story of the Black Stone is not just about its physical attributes or its place within the Kaaba. It is a narrative of divine connection, human devotion, and the mysteries that transcend scientific understanding. As modern science advances and seeks to uncover the secrets of our world, the Black Stone stands as a reminder that some mysteries may never be fully explained, that faith and belief often reside beyond the realm of empirical evidence. In the end, the Black Stone symbolizes the intersection of the divine and the human, the known and the unknown. It invites us to ponder the profound connections that bind us to our history, our beliefs, and each other. As pilgrims from all corners of the globe converge upon Mecca, the Black Stone remains a timeless witness to humanity's enduring quest for meaning, unity, and spiritual fulfillment.